Hey, what's up guys? So I want to do a quick video on the Rheem Performance Platinum water heater. As you can see, looks just like that. It's very nice. It is touch. As you can see, very nice. The pretty cool thing about it is it's not loud. A lot of people was complaining that it was a loud machine. It's not loud. You can hear the AC because it comes with an AC, and it's normal. So it's a very nice machine. Also, it comes with the Echo Net enable, so you can control everything on your smartphone. Very nice. On the top side, you have the intake right here, and this is the exhaust that comes out AC. Your filter will be right here. They say approximately change every year. Very nice machine. We are using a pump, as you can see, because this is where the condensed water comes out. So we have it going down into a pump, and it goes right into our source. So the machine, it's nice. It's 50 gallons, but we was worried about, because there's 4 of us, sometimes 5, and we was worrying about running out of water, but we have not had an issue yet. We've been using it for approximately 1 month. It has different settings. This is the energy mode settings. The good thing about it, the AC stays on. It'll dry up your basement. We had like condensed water on our pipes. Now they are dry. As you can see, it's very nice. So it's not as humid or moist in the basement anymore. It dried up a lot. When we first got it, we do got the Wi-Fi enabled, so we do control everything with our phone. When we first got it, we did put dynamic mode. That, as you can see, that's the heat pump only. The high demand mode, that one we put first, and it warmed up pretty quick. In about an hour and 30 minutes we had warm water. It also comes with the 7-day vacation mode. You could turn off the water here. We have it right now on energy saver, electric mode. So it's all different kind of modes. You guys see which one fits you best. You also could put the temperatures, but we have it the setting at 120. But the machine is not loud at all if you're worrying about it being loud. It's very nice. It also comes with a sensor. As you can see, it plugs here, and we have in the back, it goes all the way to the back, clipped. If it gets wet down here, the sensor will ring on your phone, or the machine will hit a sensor and it turns off. So that's a good thing. So at least we know if it's wet and it goes off in your phone, you will know that something's wrong with the machine, so it will automatically cut off. Very nice machine. Love it that it's touchscreen, and love it that it has AC, so it does cool the basement down. That was the main concern, is cooling down the basement. And also our oil won't waste that much, because now we're running electricity. Before we used to run the oiler and then waste a lot of oil to warm up the water. But this is perfect. Love the machine. Well, if you have any question at all, comment below. Just wanted to show the machine a little bit and explain that it's not loud. It is perfect. Love it. Everything is set up nice. Beautiful machine. Beautiful, beautiful. Enables alarm, temperature, everything. Beautiful. So it's awesome, awesome, awesome. So this is the wire diagram. Also, you have your specs. Awesome, awesome water heater. Recommend it to anyone. It's not loud. Keep it fresh. This is our whole setup. Pretty nice. Well, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. 50 gallons.